Ever walked outside, caught a strong chlorine smell from your pool, and assumed it must be clean? That smell is actually a warning sign. It means your chlorine is losing the battle.
A healthy, chlorinated, balanced pool should have little to no odor at all. That offensive smell you're smelling is actually a sign that your sanitation is falling behind. Here's a little bit of science for you.
When chlorine first hits your pool, it's called free chlorine, active and ready to attack contaminants. But once it combines with sweat, oils, and debris, it turns into what's called combined chlorine, also known as chloramines. The stuff behind that strong chemical smell, many people mistake for meaning too much chlorine. The fix? You have to break those chloramines apart and reset the water.
The process of removing these contaminants or chloramines is called shocking. The real term is called chlorine breakpoint, but that is the process of removing those stubborn contaminants from the water. And not all chlorine works the same. Chlorine tablets and floaters, they may leave additional chemicals behind in your pool that build up. You want a good, strong chlorine like SaniChlor. No slow dissolving chlorine. Chlorine breakpoint needs to happen instantly.
HASA's Pro-Grade fast-acting solution provides an instant, strong active chlorine that's ready to sanitize and oxidize without any of the additional additives you get from chlorine tablets. The bottom line, shocking your pool helps reset your water, restore your sanitizer, and keep your pool swim-ready all season long. For more pool tips, visit HASA.com, and if you've missed part of the show, head to designspaces.tv. See you poolside.